Now gold is not in her.
Let's have a look on 3 rare animals on the earth. The secretary bird. This bird is usually found in the open grasslands and savanna of the sub-Sahara region. Usually, it lives up to 10 to 15 years. Its weight would be 5 to 9.4 pounds. They are about 4 feet tall and they actually fly only when necessary. The secretary bird has long legs. Its bare face is usually yellow, orange, or red. Snakes are a favorite meal of this bird. Snow leopard. They live in the mountains across a vast range of Asia. It is a mammal which grows up to 4 or 5 feet with a tail up to 36 inches. It grows up to 60 to 120 pounds. They have fur-covered feet, act as natural snowshoes. They are tremendous jumpers and can leap as far as 50 feet. They use their long tails for balance. Snow leopard can be found in high mountain ranges including the Himalayas and the southern Siberian mountains in Russia. They can kill animals 3 times weight. Golden lion tamarin. Golden lion tamarin lives in Atlantic coastal rainforests and it is a type of mammal and it lives up to 15 years. Its usual weight is up to 29 ounces. They take their name from their impressive manes. They form social family groups. They primarily live in the trees, such as their monkey relatives. They snare insects, fruit, lizards, and birds with 8 of their long fingers. Unfortunately, their living places are rapidly disappearing, and so has them.